Bullish R value forecast is $11.51 to $42.70. The R cost will likewise reach $50 soon. R's negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $7.64. In Arweave's cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and a lot other data about R to examine the future development of the digital money. Arweave current market status. The cost of R is $9.91 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $87,255,146 at the hour of composing. In any case, R has diminished almost 5.9% as of now. Besides, R has a flowing stockpile of 50,108,502 R. As of now, R exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, OKX, CoinW, Bybit, and BingX. What is Arweave? Arweave is a decentralized stockpiling stage that looks to give a stage to the endless stockpiling of data. Besides, accounting for itself as an all-in-all possessed hard drive which won't ever be neglected. All the more thus, the organization at first has the permob. Eminently, permob is an extremely durable decentralized web with numerous local area-driven stages and applications. Arweave value forecast 2022. An even channel or sideways pattern resembles a square-shaped design. It comprises of somewhere around 4 contact focuses. This is on the grounds that it needs somewhere around 2 lows to interface, as well as 2 highs. Trading pressure is equivalent, and the predominant course of cost activity is sideways. Flat channels give an unmistakable and efficient method for exchanging by giving trade focuses. At the point when the cost stirs things up around town of the channel, sell your current long position or take a short position. The contrast between the other two is that a flat channel is portrayed as having equivalent ups and downs. Right now, R is in the scope of $9.91. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of R could arrive at the obstruction level of $18.15 and $41.55. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of R might tumble to $12.23 and $8.33. Arweave backing and opposition level. The underneath graph shows the help and opposition level of R. From the above day-to-day time period, it is clear coming up next are the opposition and backing levels of R. The diagrams show that R has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, R could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $42.70. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the R could dive to nearly $7.64, a negative sign. Arweave value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of R is displayed in the underneath graph. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past volume for dealers. At present, the RVOL of R lies beneath the end line, showing more fragile members in the latest thing. All the more in this way, the R's moving normal is displayed in the diagram above. Presently, R is in a bullish state. Quite. The R cost somewhat lies over 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a vertical pattern. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of R whenever. In the interim, the overall strength file of the R is at level 46.42. This implies that R is almost an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of R might happen in the impending days. In this way, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Arweave value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at Arweave's typical directional file. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Arweave's. Presently, R lies in the scope of 43.60, so it demonstrates areas of strength for it. From the above outline, the general instability list of R. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time instead of cost changes. The RVI of R lies underneath the 50 levels, demonstrating that the course of instability is low. As a matter of fact, R's RSI is at 46.42 levels, subsequently affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of R with BTC, ETH. The beneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Arweave. From the above graph, we can decipher the value changes of ETH, BTC, and R as moving in a comparable pattern. This shows that when the cost of ETH and BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of R additionally increments or diminishes individually. Arweave value forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, Arweave could most likely accomplish $55 by 2023. Arweave value forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Arweave could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, R could mobilize to hit $60 by 2024. Arweave Value Expectation 2025. If Arweave supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, R would energize to hit $68. Arweave Value Expectation 2026. If Arweave supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, R would mobilize to hit $70. Arweave Value Forecast 2027. On the off chance that Arweave supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, R would energize to hit $80. Arweave Value Forecast 2028. If Arweave holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, R would hit $85 in 2028. Arweave Value Forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Arweave, it would observe significant spikes. R could hit $90 by 2029. Arweave Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Arweave environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into R for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, Arweave could hit $100 by 2030. And, with persistent upgrades in the Arweave organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for R. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of Arweave in 2022 is $42.70. Then again, the negative R cost expectation for 2022 is $7.64. Besides, with the headways and redesigns on the R biological system, the exhibition of R would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high $89.24 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $50 assuming that the financial backers accept that R is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Arweave? Arweave is a decentralized stockpiling stage that looks to give a stage to the endless stockpiling of data. 2. Where might you at any point buy R? R has recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, CoinW, Bybit, and BingX. 3. Will R come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the R stage, it has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Arweave? On November 5, 2021, R arrived at its new all-time high of $89.24. 5. Is R a wise interest in 2022? Arweave is by all accounts one of the top acquiring cryptographic forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of R in the beyond couple of months, R is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Could Arweave reach $50? Arweave is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. At last, on the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds, Arweave will